Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to create multiple sheets on your Excel paper. So as you can see, we have, you don't make sheets from here. Obviously this does have a lot of good templates. Actually, I kind of want to use the Sudoku one, but we'll do it in the future, some other time. So once you're in Excel, the moment you start writing information, this ends up becoming your spreadsheet. So not a lot of times you want to keep all the same information. You want to create multiple sheets in order to contain all those information. So we don't want to use this sheet. We want to change it up. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Over here you can see this plus icon, which is called, once you hover over it, it's going to come as a new sheet. You want to press on that, and yeah, that's it. You just created your new sheet. Now you can just change between them with just clicking on each of them, and I believe you can make tons of them. I'm not sure what the limit is, but I think you can make a lot. As you can see, it's out of the screen now. Yeah. And in order to delete them, you just want to right click and then press on delete. Right click, press on delete. If you want, you can insert, chart, whatever you want, or you can right click, rename, and if you want to see the code, you can also right click and view code, but I'm not really sure how this works, so yeah. Alright, so that's about it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.